Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode on Vedic Mathematics from Syllabus Coach. Today, in this module, we're going to teach you various techniques on how to find out squares of repeated digit numbers. What is it? Squares of repeated digit numbers. Without any further delay, let's start with an example. The first example is 33 square. What is it? 33 square. How will you find the square of this number? Usually you multiply 33 into 33, right? So which is 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9, and again 3 3s are 9 and 3 3s are 9. So this is 9, 18 and 1, which is 1 0 8 9, right? So this is the conventional method of solving this question. But what we are going to do today is that we are trying to use a concept of 11 square, triple 1 square and 4 1 square and all these things. Why am I doing that? Simple. When you have 33 square like this, you can bring 3 common. So it will be 3 square and then we have 1 1 square. Why is it 3 square and not 3? Simple, students. See, I am taking 3 as common inside this 33 and then the square is applied to both the numbers. And when I bring this square to 3, it would be 3 square and 11 square. Therefore, if I know what is 11 square, I'll be able to find out the answer very easily, right? So that's why we need to understand what is 11 square, triple 1 square and 4 1 square and so on. So what is the answer for this question? Let's solve this and we'll try to understand what is this 11 square and all that stuff. So it is 9 into 121. So clearly 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 1s are 9, 1089. So this is the answer for this question. Right? So now we need to understand various things like 11 square, 11 triple 1 square, 1 1 1 square, 1 1 1 1 1 square, like this. Why? For example, if somebody asks you 7 7 square, then what is needed, students? 7 square into triple 1 square is needed, right? And now if somebody asks you 7 7 7 7, there are 5 sevens and they ask you to find out the square of this. At that point of time, it would simply be 7 square into 1 2 3 4 5 whole square, isn't it? So therefore there is a need to have a shortcut for these kind of numbers. So these kind of numbers need a shortcut. So let's solve it and let's try to understand the pattern. So what is 11 square, students? 11 square is 121, right? So let's do it properly. So 11 into 11. So it's 11, 1 1s are 1 and then 2. So total it's 121, right? So 121. What is triple 1 square, students? Triple 1 square is nothing but, let's do it. 1 1s are 1, 1, 1 and then we have 1, 1, 1 and then again 1, 1, 1. So we have 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So the answer for triple 1 square is 1 2 3 2 1, isn't it? Exactly. Now let's go to the next one, which is 1 1 1 1 and 1 1 1 1 again. What is the multiplication? 1 1 1 1 and again 1 1 1 1, isn't it? And we will have 4 more ones again and then goes on, then we'll have 1 1 1 1. So the total answer for this question is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So its answer is 1 2 3 4 3 2 1. So if you observe something, so it is 121, 1 2 3 2 1, 1 2 3 4 3 2 1, right? There is a pattern that is observed here. So that pattern is simple. So how many digits are there here, students? 11. It is 2 digits. How many digits? 2 digits, right? So in the answer, first you need to write until 2, that is 1 and 2, isn't it? You have to write the answer until 2 and once you're done, repeat the numbers, reverse the numbers. After 2, come back, it is 1, right? You'll understand with more examples. You have 3 digits here, students. Triple 1, how many digits are there? 3 digits. So if it is 3 digits, in the answer, write it from 1 until 3. What are you going to do? You're trying to write the numbers until 3 because the question is 3 digits and after that reverse the number. What are you doing? You're just reversing the number. Okay, let's write it together without solving the questions. I'm writing it now, students. Just observe this properly. First write 11 square, and then triple 1 square, and then 4 1 squares, and then 5 1 squares, and then 6 1 squares, right? And even 7 1 squares, right? So what would be the answers for each of these questions? Now you know the technique now, students. That's very easy. How many digits are there, students? 2 digits. Write 2 digits, 1 2, and then reverse the order. What is the number that is after 2? If you go back, it is 1. Simple. Now how many digits are there here, students? 3 digits. Therefore write 3 numbers from beginning. 1 2 3, and now reverse the order. 3 2 1, isn't it? Now you have 4 digits, so write 4 digits from beginning. 1 2 3 4, and now reverse the order, which is 3 2 and 1. Simple. Now 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now 4 3 2 and 1. Simple. Now 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then 5 4 3 2 and 1. Simple, isn't it? And the last thing, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then 6 5 4 3 2 1. So this is how we solve these kind of questions, right? Now you have everything with you. If somebody asks you to solve the question which is 777 square, the answer would simply be 7 square into triple 1 square, and we already know it is 7 square. Triple 1 is nothing but 1 2 3, because 3 digits are there, and then you reverse the order, and it's simply 49 into 1 2 3 2 1, isn't it? So this is the answer for this question. I'm not solving it, so you can solve. Just have a look into this particular concept and try practicing it. You'll be able to solve this question very easily, isn't it? Amazing. Now what we can do is, like, there's a technique to solve numbers which are having the series of 3s, which are having the series of 6, which are having the series of 9s. When these numbers are squared, what is it? When these numbers are squared, there'll be a pattern that is followed. What is it? There'll be a pattern that is followed. I'm repeating again. When the numbers of the series 3, like 33 or 333 or 4 3s, and similarly 6 6 or 666 or 4 6 and so on, or 99 or 999 or 4 9s, when you square these kind of numbers, you can actually see a pattern that is being followed. How is it followed? Let's do that. Okay, so what we need to do, first try to do a basic example, which is 333 into 333. What is it? 333 into 333. Let's solve this question. So it is 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 3s are 9. And then 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 3s are 9. And we have last 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9, and 3 3s are 9. So it is 9, 9 2s 18, 9 3s 27, 28, and 9 2s 18, and 20. It's 1 1 0 8 8 9. Okay, so I'll tell you a technique. So make sure you're listening to this very properly. Okay, understand, students? This is very, very important. So the question is 333 whole square. What is it? 333 whole square. So whenever they ask like this, the first step, identify the square of last digit. What is it? Identify the square of last digit. Okay, as it is square, it is like 9, but you need to add 0 to the number, because there should be 2 digits for sure, because you have 3 numbers here, right? You have 3 numbers, and then you are squaring it, and then the square of this number 3 square is 09. If you get single digit, make sure you add 0 before that number. So now what you need to do is very simple. First, you just have to write 9 towards the end. What is it? 9 towards the end. And after that, because this is a 3 digits number, right? This is a 3 digit number. Therefore, leave 2 spaces. That means if it is an n digit number, you have to leave n minus 1 spaces before the last digit. What is it? Before the last digit. So what is the last digit that we obtained? It is 9, right? So leave two spaces. See, this is the first number. I'm repeating again. Write the first number to the right hand side. And now leave two spaces because the number is 3 digit. As the number is 3 digit, how many spaces should you leave? It's 3 minus 1. So 2 spaces are to be left before the last digit. And after that, bring the number before 9, which is 0. What is it? 0. Right? And again, before 0, leave 2 spaces. Right? Now the answer is simply from 9 you have to reduce one number. What is it? You have to reduce one number, which is 8, and the same, repeat it, 8. Reduce one number and the same number will be there, 8, 8. And now from here, increase by 1. What is it? Increase by 1. So it is 1 and 1. So the answer to this question is 1, 1, 0, 8, 8, 9. Isn't it? I'll explain this example again so that it will be more clear for you. Okay. So what are we doing, students? We are taking an example which is 3, 3, 3 whole square. What is it? 3, 3, 3 whole square. And in 3, 3, 3 whole square, the first step is identifying the square, which is the last number square, which is 0, 9. Right? Now, as it is a 3-digit number, we have to leave 2 spaces. So 2 spaces concept is used here now. So first write 9. What is it? First write 9. And now give 2 spaces, which is first space and second space. As 9 is already done, what are you left with? You are left with 0. So write 0. And then before 0, you leave 2 spaces again because it's a 3-digit number. As it is a 3-digit number, you have to leave 3 minus 1 spaces before each of these numbers. Now, from here, from this particular number, reduce 1. So it becomes 8. The same number is copied again, 8. And from this particular number, add plus 1. So it becomes 1 and 1. So answer for this question is 1, 1, 0, 8, 8, 9. Isn't it? So let's do a next example. The next example is 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6 is nothing but 666 whole square. So what is the last digit, students? When 6 square is 36. What is it? 36. So this is a 3-digit number. What is it? This is a 3-digit number. Therefore, the answer will have 2 spaces before 6 and before 3. What is it? 2 spaces before 6 and before 3. So how am I going to write? 6 and then 2 spaces and then 3 and then 2 spaces. Then what are you going to do? You are going to reduce 1 from 6, which makes it 5, 5, and then you have plus 1, right, in this category. So it is 4 and 4. So the answer for this question is 4, 4, 3, 5, 5, and 6. Let's take a bigger example and you'll be surprised that you're going to do this kind of calculations in less than 3 seconds. So next question is 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, and 9, 9, 9, and 9. How many digits are there, students? 5 digits. So if there are 5 digits, how many spaces should you give? 4 spaces, because it's n minus 1 spaces, isn't it? Now, the first step, what is 9 square? Because last number is 9. So what is 9 square? 81, isn't it? Now, bring this one to the last place. Now, leave 4 places, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And now write 8, isn't it? Now leave more spaces, 2, 3, and 4. Now fill the boxes, simple. So reduce it by minus 1, so it becomes 0, 0, 0, and 0, right? Now increase it by plus 1, which is 9, 9, 9, and 9. So the answer for this question is nothing but 9, 9, 9, 8, 0, 0, 0, and 0 and 1. So this is the answer, simple. So this technique is useful when you have the numbers as 3s or 6 or 9s. Hope all of you are clear with this single example, right? Amazing. So we are getting great response from the students. They are loving the concepts, and we have got many messages on our Telegram groups and WhatsApp groups. So thank you so much for all your love. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much, students.